Show. Your girl, your one and only. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe for more entertaining videos like this. On this platform, we try to enlighten people. We try to entertain people as much as we can. Before I start, let me rock it for you guys. Because I'll walk without playing Miss Jacket Doughboy. Where are all the mamas out there? A big happy Mother's Day to you all. I love you all. Especially those of you that suffer to raise your lovely kids. Thumbs up for you. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to my lovely mommy. I love you, Mom. Let me rock it for you guys. Keep watching the NS Show. Keep watching for more inspiring videos. Make sure you finish this video. Don't stop halfway. Many more are coming. I love you all. So before I start, as you all know that I'm from Nigeria, and a very proud one for that matter. And I mean, for some of you out there that don't know where Nigeria is located in West Africa, and it is also the heartbeat of Africa, and it is one of the most populous countries in Africa. So, and it has produced a lot of great people like Dangote, one of the, the richest man in Africa, and Wole Soyinka, the point. So we have a lot of great people from Nigeria, and I love that country, and I love my people as well. So I'm gonna be talking on a very sensitive topic, and as you all know that love is something that we all need. It's something I'm really concerned. I was really concerned about it, and I decided to talk about it. But this video, I'm gonna be talking. I'm gonna be doing this video in Pidgin English because I want everybody. I really want my people to be able to understand everything. But please don't mind my Pidgin English. It's just it's different now, but you guys, I'm still gonna do it in such a way that you guys will be able to understand. So I'm gonna be doing this video in Pidgin English, and this video, I don't want you guys to take it personal, and it's just something that I thought that it would be wise enough to talk about. So I realized that a lot of our people out there, when I mean our people, a lot of our Nigerian people are out there. They're there. Our people. Me, I love una don't know. Hey, I love my country and I love my people as well. Something where I realize saying Nigerian people, we don't love ourselves. We know they like ourselves. Why now? Why we know they like ourselves? We get to they like ourselves. When would they like ourselves? Other people will they see how we love ourselves. And when they see them like that, they not go feel intrude, they not go feel enter us, they not go feel scatter us. They go no say no, those people, they love themselves, they know they joke with themselves, they stand for each other, and they get one voice. But I realize say instead of us, so they do that kind of thing, we there, we bite ourselves, we pinch ourselves. We struggle for put ourselves down. Like say when we do that one, what we go gain? Nothing. We don't go get nothing. Nothing. We don't go get nothing. We do ourselves. My mama say, do body. We do our own self. Because when your brother they up there, when I mean your brother, I don't mean say not really your brother, but person will come on Nigeria. I don't care about the states where you come out. For me, when I see any Nigerian person, I embrace them. I don't care whether you be this tribe, I don't care whether you be from this state, I don't care. I don't look at those things. Me, personally, I know they see that kind of thing. I don't know so you be Nigerian man. And I take you like that. So, And I say our people in day, like you will see them for workplace. When you see them for workplace, just because they see you, you want to work for where they work. They no go even for greet you, they no go greet you. Even they for even introduce themselves for you, they no go do. They will just start hate you. Like say they never ever see you before. They never know where you come on. They just know say you be Nigeria. As long as you be Nigeria, they don't start hate you and hate them so. The least thing what you do, they go report you for your oga. I mean, and then before you know, oga will start to disturb you. You know, even know say that they don't even go they lie for your head. They don't do this thing plenty. They don't overdo them. Especially our people them for this outside world, like I'll mention like Europe or America. They ain't too much where they do that kind of thing. They go lie for your head. And they give them thing where you don't even know about. They go lie, put on for your head, saying that's what you do. That's what you do when you not doing. When I just act of hate. How you go see your own fellow person? We all now, some of them cross water come this side. Now only few even enter plane, travel. But they go forget the suffer when they suffer for road. They go forget say, I mean, forget say na suffer na through hardship make them they leave Africa. But they don't come here for them for unite, for them forget one voice. Instead they will start fight themselves. And before you know, they will trouble that person for that job. They will trouble and when that person not do anything. This one now, not be saying now. That's not the way. I mean, it don't happen for plenty people. They go trouble and before you know, sometimes the oga even tell say they not need to do again. People they don't to complain about you. When you go look people there, they complain about them. Now your own brothers and sisters, for that matter. See how long we go to do this kind of thing to ourselves. Wetin go be our game? When that person come on lose this job, wetin go be your game? Wetin you come benefit now? They will come carry that person paycheck give you? No. I bet if you be one of those people that do this thing, when you watch this video, I want me you go sit down, think, and stop. Because even the oga knows say you be liar. He already knows say you just be top person, you just be lie everywhere. But I just say, you know, go tell you know, so we both they not go talk. They will just don't quite they look on them. They go even they wonder say why Nigerians they fight themselves like this. They go come on, go they even laugh on for back. So they don't do these things. Them it don't too much. You don't too much for inside this America. It don't too much for you. They don't overdo, especially for this America. It too much. They did exaggerate them. Then the worst thing I say when they can't receive person, they can't receive one full grown-up man like that. When maybe for Africa you been a big man, even if you don't be even big man for Africa, we need to respect everybody. We need to, I mean, what we don't want make person do to us, we don't want to do one to another person. They will come put that person for house, that person will stay. After 3 days, they will start torment that person. You go start torment that person like saying now you start for the receive person, torture the person. When the person said, the code, they already felt deal with him. You never even know how you go do with code. Then the person will come receive one for house, go give one, suffer, you go torture and sometimes food not go even day. Nothing, you go come on, go eat, maybe for buffet, go find one restaurant, go eat. When you don't eat finish, you go there inside house there. You think say maybe they'll come cook when you eat. Nothing. Knowing when say that person, he just come on Africa. You don't even get money, you don't even get anything like that. We supposed to support that person. We don't even stable. For you to support that person, you go instead they take the energy away, they stress them, they give them pain. For you for explain to them how the country dey, how you go take stand, how things go there for them, you go instead give them a pain. You go start see the other side of life. Where it not be what you even need at that point in time. So, una they do this kind of thing. Una stay away from this kind of thing. Una stay away. Sometimes some of una say una even get children. Una not even know where una children will go tomorrow. No matter how you reach, one day you go still need person in help. It might not be money, but for other things. They too do this kind of thing. Una stay away from this kind of thing. Then they could just do things, they go like that. They could just I mean, the other African country countries, you go see how they go that one, they go get each other as their back, they go protect themselves. Even when something happens, they go protect themselves, they go get one voice. You go really see, and even that one, they go even say, why these Nigerian people, they know they cooperate? Why they like this? Then they go cover up themselves like Nigerians go cover up themselves like because we are from a big country. It's not because of that. Not because we are come out for big country. That one no get anything to do. You come out for big country or you not come out for big country. No. You as a Nigerian, you have to defend that name. You have to defend that beautiful name. We are not they spoil our name. The bad people, when they do this bad thing, why not they spoil our name, our image? When if person will there for some side, you go say it be Nigeria, they will just look at like this. When we get responsible Nigerians, we get great Nigerians them. The ones that when they don't get home training, when they don't get character, their dirty character, when they carry from Africa, they will come bring and come in, they rub everywhere. I beg my people, if you be one of that person and you dey watch me right now, please stay away from this type of things. See your Nigerian person and see your brother. See a Nigerian person, a man, see and say like my brother be this. Or see that person like your father. Or if you see a woman, see her like your mother, see her like your sister, your aunties. No, they look and say na outside that they start they treat them bad. You don't know where Oyibo better pass us. Oyibo they cooperate. Oyibo they cooperate. Oh God, only if nothing know. Oyibo they cooperate among themselves. They love themselves. That's why they don't build their site, or they don't build their life because they cooperate. Or then they get one voice. Now the thing we will not know be that. Then another thing I say, you go see Nigerian person for some place. You go see other Africans, look down on them. Look down on other Africans, the way they are your brothers, they are your sisters, they are your neighboring countries. You see people from your neighboring countries, they look them like say they be outsider. For you to embrace them, take them like your black brothers or black sisters. You go instead they look down on them, say this one they don't know anything. Those people then when you they look say they don't know anything. Who tell you say they don't know anything? Because everybody they look na your chest. You don't look your chest, say, oh no, I be Nigeria, I know everything. Who tell you say you know everything? I'm sorry to say this, but I can't realize it. Really, I love my people, and I'm so proud that I'm a Nigerian. But one thing when my people they do, if they pay me, Nigerians, they're not civilized. I'm sorry to say this. Nigerians are not civilized. Do you know why I say this? I just laugh. Me as a person, I don't mingle. I don't work out with a lot of people. Different people. I like to interact, and it make me. I socialize. I don't socialize a lot with all kinds of people that I can't realize saying Nigerians are not civilized. Then they say they're civilized because they be the heart of Africa. Because they're one of the biggest country in Africa. That one not mean say you civilized. Because you just they look down on other Africans them like they say they not be anything. You see somebody from your neighboring country look down on the person. You don't even you're gonna despise them. Look at all be primitive now. And that one go they want come close to you. You go want know about your country. And if you sometimes I don't see where they ask the Nigerian person, when an educated person, when a Nigerian, you know if you even talk anything about the other neighboring country, when near you know if you talk. But that one way they despise, they tell everything. They talk history of Nigeria, they talk things about Nigeria, that's why they look. So what it make you they say you pass on person? Just because that person is not from your place. Everybody na king, everybody na queen for your own side. You know, you don't have to look down on anybody. We don't need to look down on anybody. Because at the end of the day, we are one. We are one. We need to love ourselves. We need to see this color like, now ourselves. Now we like, we are the same. I don't like when I see her like that. They touch me, like, they touch me, but When I see a Nigerian person, they say that one, that who tell you say that person local? Who tell you say, and even if the person local, it go stop you not to talk to that person. Now so until they miss opportunity, and so until they miss chances for life, because you don't know what help you. You go start raise shoulder. I know it all. I know everything. Who tell you say, calm down yourself. Calm down yourself and learn. So I just decided to make I do this video because I just realized that Nigerians, they not be civilized. Majority of them, they are not civilized. They think they are civilized when they don't wear when they don't wear their native, they don't tie hair, or they don't put makeup or for face. That one not mean say you be civilized. The way you think, the way you do your things, not be what you wear, or the kind of makeup when you wear, or when you don't wear whatever. Then with that one be civilization. The way you interact with people, the way you talk with people matters a lot. The way you deal with people. If that kind of people where they despise people, wait till you go gain. That person where you despise, you don't know that person in background, but you just look down because that person don't be Nigerian, because now from another neighboring country from Africa. You just say, you know how many people for inside Nigeria they suffer. Nigeria get a big name. Nigeria is one of the richest country in Africa. We get big name, we get money, but how many people they really test that money? Let's be honest here. How many people they really test that money? How many people they really live that comfortable life? Now that Nigeria said, would they despise the neighboring country people then? Say this one is from my country. Go now go even give them one name, say whatever. Now go even give them one funny name, just to mock at them. But those people they get electricity, but Nigeria no get. Nigeria no get electricity because they go see light. Now go they take generator. The generator go they make noise everywhere. But these people know when they look down, they get their electricity. They know they take their light. Now they look down, they not pass them. They not pass them. Una they go school, so they go school too. Una they speak una language, so they speak their language too. I just want to make una get a broad way of thinking, a civilized way of thinking. So, my message be that, and then. More they love ourselves. More they love ourselves. And that same love now we will show to others. And because we don't love ourselves, that's why we don't figure anything to show to others. And people that they notice them and they are complaining. People are complaining about it. That's why I decided to do this video. And I tried to make I do this video for Pidgin so that everybody go feel really hear me. Especially anybody when a Nigerian person go feel hear me what I talk. Because we're not going to do like this. We'll defend that name. We'll defend our name. We'll defend them. Nigeria is a place to be. We get oil. We get everything. We get food. Why can't we defend our country? By showing love to the people who will see for road. By showing love among ourselves. You see your brother need help, you give them. You see your sister need help, you give them. You see your friends, they need help, you give them. Not to they think how you want to bring other people them trouble. You want to put some person for trouble just because you don't want to make that person walk where they walk, or you don't want to make that person they do what you they do. I know some neighboring countries them where they work, they get good job, they work, they aim high, and they don't put a lot of Nigerians on that job. But we get Nigerians for that place. They never bring one of their Nigerian brothers. And then their Nigerian brothers, they sit them every day for church. They go church together. They sit themselves. That one they complain. They need to work, but they don't go talk. But all those ones they bring their people. And so they go, and when you people they get position. That's so you go take. That's so you take enjoy. Especially for the people that when they did this country them like America or Europe. Let's say your brother dey for good position for this America. Okay, you go for interview. Let's be honest here. Let me talk through here. We interview you. You be Nigeria. I be Nigeria. Hey, Oh, you dey find work before una know interview no go even really dey like that, because as he see you, he know say you be brother, he know say you be sister, he know say una comot the same country. That work, he no go disturb you, go give you. But when you know what me your brother did there, how you go take get the opportunity wey you need for life? If you go there, Oyibo go there, they go take na Oyibo. If na Oyibo dey there, you go first take na his brother or his sister before you go even think of you. But as he say, for Nigerians, even when we need to really know how to help ourselves. We need to know how to love ourselves, because love na the highest thing. Because united we stand. If we unite, we go stand. When that division day, we go fall. Because divided we fall. We go fall. So that was my message. It's a very sensitive topic, and I just thought it wise to talk about it, because at the end of the day, we are one. Believe me, guys, we are one. We have to love ourselves. As long as we are all Africans, I mean, we have to love ourselves. Let's show that love to other people. Let's defend our name. Let's stop bringing our people name down. Let's stop bringing our country names down. We should stop, because it's not gonna benefit us in any way. Guys, keep watching the Again show. I love you guys. I love you guys. Woo! Guys, keep watching. It's your gift, your one and only. Guys, keep subscribing. I need more subscribers on my channel. I need you all. Woo! Woo! Love you all, guys. Love you all, guys.